Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to lock cells in Microsoft Excel. Locking cells is useful when you want to protect certain cells from being edited while still allowing other cells to be edited. This can help prevent accidental changes to important data. First, let's start by selecting the cells that we want to lock. For example, let's say we want to lock cells A1 to A10. We'll select these cells by clicking and dragging the cursor over them. Next, we want to open the Format Cells dialog box. To do this, right-click on the selected cells and choose Format Cells from the context menu. This will open the Format Cells dialog box. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to the Protection tab. Check the box next to Locked to lock the cells. Click OK to close the dialog box. Now that we locked the cells, we need to protect the worksheet to prevent the locked cells from being edited. Go to Review tab on the ribbon and click on the Protect Sheet. In the Protect Sheet dialog box, select the options that you want to apply to the protection. For example, you can choose to only allow certain users to edit the worksheet or only allow certain cells to be edited. Set a password if desired and click OK. Now that we protected the worksheet, let's test the locked cells. Try to edit one of the locked cells, A1 to A10 in our example, and you should see a warning message saying that the cell is protected and cannot be modified. That's it, now you know how to lock cells in Microsoft Excel. Locking cells is a great way to protect important data from accidental changes and can be useful in a variety of situations. Thanks for watching.